Cloves have been used in our Indian kitchens for some time. This spice is utilized not only for its potent flavor and aroma, but also for its therapeutic properties and health benefits. Cloves are extremely nutritious and high in antioxidants. However, they must be included in one's daily diet in order to reap the health benefits. There are many different ways to include clove in your diet, but drinking clove tea is a simple way to do so. Clove tea is beneficial to your health as a whole. It can be made at home with only 2 ingredients. If you drink tea regularly and want to kick the habit, this is a great alternative. Let's look at some incredible advantages of using it. Number 1. Helps with weight loss. This list will begin with the most sought after benefit of cloves, loss of weight. This spice contains a unique compound that makes it easier than ever to lose weight. All you need to do is drink 1 cup per day. We're not saying that having a cup of clove tea while eating 10 donuts will help you lose weight. Rather, we're stating that if you're health conscious, this super spice will help you fight excess weight because it will speed up the metabolic process. This means that your body will burn fat at a faster rate. Number 2. Lowers stress levels. Cloves have a relaxing effect on the nerves, which makes them great for combating stress and anxiety. They stimulate the synthesis of hormones that reduce stress and improve mood. Drinking fragrant clove tea can calm down the nerves and minimize any tension an individual may be experiencing. Number 3. No more congestion. Clove tea in the spring can also help people who have allergies. If you have the sniffles or are having trouble coughing or sneezing, don't go to the pharmacy and buy some over-the-counter medication. Simply make some clove tea. The serum will help you cough up all the mucus in your throat by acting as an expectorant. Number 4. For healing skin infections. We have a solution for you if you're having issues with your skin. After you've prepared the tea, you can apply it to any part of your body to help protect against skin injuries and scrapes or coat exterior wounds to speed up healing. Additionally, clove tea is a remedy for athlete's foot. Number 5. Say goodbye to tooth pain. Although it may be new to us, cloves have been used for centuries to alleviate gum irritation and tooth pain. A simple remedy involves placing a few cloves in your mouth, moistening and softening them with your saliva, and then crushing them with your non-painful molars until you release their pain-relieving oil. Number 6. Helps with fever. We believe that a cup of clove tea a day will make your fever go away because it is loaded with magnesium, vitamin E, and vitamin K. This drink will more than help treat any bacterial infection, and on top of that, you'll get a powerful antipyretic. Fevers are unpleasant, and they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. You will experience increased immunity and a lower body temperature. Number 7. Anti-inflammatory properties. Finally, we come to the characteristic of clove tea that is most sought after. If you're interested in home remedies, you've probably heard of clove tea's anti-inflammatory properties that can help you treat mouth inflammation, nausea, and stomach upset. However, just like everything else in life, don't overdo it. A cup or 2 a day is fine, but if you drink more than 3 cups a day, you might experience muscle pain, fatigue, and problems with your gastrointestinal system. Anyways, what other condition do you think clove tea is a remedy for? What did we miss? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. If you like more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any new videos. And as always, I am so grateful that you've watched my video today. And I wish you happiness, wealth, and health. Thanks for watching.